the ingredients you need are soft clay, warm water, scent, and color. We are using blush pink, strawberry, and strawberry scent. And one of the other things you need is a bowl. Okay, now you're going to put in the clay into the bowl, and then you're going to put your paint and your scent into the water. A couple drops of them. Okay. Now we're gonna stir this up and put it into the bowl. And now we're gonna knead it to 3 to 5 minutes. Didn't really get the color in there. Okay guys, I have to add in a little more scent and color into it. Okay guys, I finished up the slime. And it's pink, but it didn't really turn out how I wanted it to, and the slime didn't, and the scent didn't, I can't smell it. So, thanks for watching my video. Bye!